This updated and spacious pool home sits on one of the most sought-after streets in Gulf Harbors. The kitchen is simply amazing and was renovated by a seasoned craftsman and boasts exotic granite, wood cabinetry, and quality stainless steel appliances, including a glass-top stove and large capacity refrigerator. The kitchen, as does most of the rooms, offer a wonderful view of the waterfront. A newer metal roof adds to the charm and tropical feel. This home was recently tiled throughout and all the windows have been upgraded. This home's true split plan offers privacy. The master bedroom has updated energy-efficient sliders which lead out to the screen pool area and has a walk-in closet and private master bathroom. The air conditioner was replaced in 2007. Both guest bedrooms are gracious in size, and the rear guest bedroom offers a wonderful water view. Both guest bedrooms are served by a full guest bathroom. Your guests will be envious during your special events out on the pool deck. The floating dock and fish cleaning station will launch 1,000 lifetime memories. This home features a wide and 35-foot deep canal that is only 5 minutes from the open Gulf of Mexico. You'll enjoy fantastic fishing right from the dock and all along the nearby grass flats and sandy tropical islands where you can cruise out on a weekday and completely have as your own. Gulf Harbors has one of the only 2 private beaches on the entire west coast of Florida. Gulf Harbors' private white sandy beach sits directly on the Gulf of Mexico and has an amazing view of Anclo Key just off the shore. There are also cabanas, bathrooms, and private showers. Enjoy waterside lunch and dinner at the Gulf Harbors Yacht Club. Enjoy the company of friends at the large lounge with amazing views of the island preserves and the sun setting into the Gulf. The Yacht Club hosts regular events like Sports Day with best ball golf tournaments and dance nights. There are also the much anticipated annual Christmas Light Boat Parade and the Blessing of the Fleet events. Gulf Harbors boasts 2 boat ramps and a large community clubhouse. Cruising is spectacular. Caladesi was voted as the #1 beach in America and is only a 30-minute cruise away. Thank you for viewing this beautiful waterfront home with us today. For more information, please contact Chris and Beth Belois at 727-858-8692 and visit our website at www.gulfharborshomes.com. Lifestyle, it's all about the water.